Account reporting groups. By using account reporting groups, you can group your accounts. After you group your accounts, when you are generating reports, you can use that account reporting grouping. From this option, you can view total of the groups, or you can get the details of the group. You can go to account reporting groupings from accounts module, select account reporting groups. For an example, assume when you generate your profit and loss report, you want to categorize your expenses to administration expenses, finance expenses, or marketing and sales expenses. So you can group those accounts from here. Now this is expenses. We will create some administration expenses. These accounts will group as administration expenses. After you select your accounts, you can click this icon. Then this window will open. From here, you can enter your group name. After that, you can save. Next, we will create these bank charges and forex expenses as finance expenses. And save. Next, this entertainment, discount allowed, advertising, we can create as sales and marketing expenses. Like this, you can group your accounts. In addition to that, sometimes you will create new account. For an example, printing and stationery, we have created new account and we want to add this account to administration expenses. So if you want to edit or if you want to add any account to a particular group, you can select that account, and from this icon, click that icon, and you can select account reporting report group, and from here you can select administration expenses and save. Then that administration printing and stationery expenses under administration expenses. Like that, you can edit your account reporting groups. Now security under administration expenses. Next, sometimes you want to remove accounts from the administration expenses. For an example, if you want to remove bad debts from administration expenses and you want to add to sales and marketing expenses. So you can select this bad debts account and click this icon. If you want to remove, you can select this remove from account, report group, and save. Now bad debts not under any group. So if you want to add to sales and marketing, you can select that account, click this icon and select account report group and select sales and marketing expenses. Like that, you can add your accounts grouping. After that, you can save. Right. Next, we will move to reports and we will discuss how it works. Now, again, we will use these account reporting groups in this tab. And next tab, we will generate profit and loss report. We will select yearly sales and view report. Right, now you can see this under administration expenses, electricity, water and general expenses will display under administration expenses. In forex gain and losses will display under finance expenses, and entertainment will display under sales and marketing expenses. So we have group like that, so therefore it will display like this. So interest paid fee haven't allocated to any group. We will select that account and we will add to finance. Select account report group and I'll select finance expenses and save here. Now we will go to this report and refresh. Right, now you can see all expenses categorized to particular group. Now when you generate this report, there's an option report group detail. Now account reporting groups use account reporting groups to view either summary of grouped accounts or the individual accounts making up a group total on your financial statement report. Now we have checked this account. We will open another tab and this tab I'll untick this option and refresh. Now you can see that sub accounts not there, and you can view a total of the group accounts. Here you can view detail, and here you can view a summary value. Each group account has a value, total value. If you uncheck this report group detail. So main purpose of this report grouping is you can group accounts, and when you are generating the report by checking or unchecking, you can get detailed or summary report. So you can use these options for balance sheet also. When you generate balance sheet, if you categorize some assets, you can group. So if you check this option, it will display detailed view. If you check this, it will display a summary report. Like that, you can use these account reporting groups for customize your reports.